What is going on, ham fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is watching this video. I was at the lake, or I was at the coast all weekend, so no videos last week, sorry, but we are on the grind and we are starting day one of the, day one of the Daytona truck meet prep. So we got all our stuff right here. We're doing everything from like tailgate hinges just to get them good. We have the roll pan back, some of this is trash, but we have the roll pan back there. We're about to do the rear axle seal right now, and then that's what the seal puller is for. Getting the John boat ready as well. And then this right here, I don't know if you know what this is, but look at that. That is gonna be shaved tailgate. Goodness. And we have the truck wrap going on as soon as we get all this bodywork done. We have a lot of bodywork stuff right there. So lots of moving parts for this week. Got all kind of stuff to do. Like this one, little dent. The other side is a little bigger. That's because the previous owner was a farmer. Obviously, y'all know that. But right now we're about to do this axle seal. So step one, so we're doing this, is taking off the wheel, of course, and then I'll get with you as soon as we do that. This is not. Alright, as you can see, once we take the wheel off, you'll see all this grease and built up grime on here, and that is a pure indication of you have a bad axle seal. Now also what you can do is look on the inside of your wheels. When you're parking, you'll see little light black marks. Mine's also been going on for a couple months, so it has died down just a little bit, but nonetheless still a problem we have to fix. So next step is going to be taking off this inner axle shaft right here. It's just going to be these 8 bolts right here, and then that'll slide out, and then I'll get with you as soon as we do that. Alright, you're going to have a seal that goes on this axle shaft right here. Mine is half stuck on, half not. Now that's not what goes bad. There's a seal on the inside what goes bad. So we'll just pull this out. Hold on. Alright, on the inside there's going to be a snap ring. Alright, so I just used a pick that I had laying around and I pulled it out. You can definitely get some needle nose pliers going. Alright, I got sent the wrong tool, so I'm just spinning it with a screwdriver. And it's been working, as you can see. It's hand loose now. So we're just gonna take this out. Boom. Alright, so to do the next part, you gotta take off. I mean, look at all that gunk and grime back there, y'all. That seal's been bad for a minute. So anyways, you gotta take your brake caliper off. I'm resting against the brake dust shield or whatever. So now you're just gonna pull this hub off right here, and then we'll be able to pull the seal out and then get to reinstalling. Alright, now I'm about to spray some brake cleaner stuff on here before I start messing with pulling the seal out. Alright, brake clean this. Next you're going to take your pulley puller, or your, not pulley puller, your seal puller, and then it's going to be a little tough at first. Don't let that discourage you, you'll get it. And if you break it, it's okay, because you got a new one anyway, right? Alright, now that you got your old seal out, you're going to get your new one. And you're going to take your bearings out as well. Inspect your bearings, make sure they're all good. And then clean out the inside of this hub. So that's what I'm doing, spray some brake cleaner on all this real quick, and then reinstall it, and then we'll get the new seal going back in there. Alright, now that you got your bearings back installed, and then your seal on top, I don't really have a cup to go around it to beat it back into place. No, that's not gonna work. I'm just gonna lightly tap it while holding one side and see if we can get it in that way. I'll roll with that. Alright, once you put some 80-90 on your your seal by there, push it on, and it's going to show about a couple threads. Don't worry, it's supposed to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your lock back here again, and then you're going to put it on. Okay, and then as you tighten this up, you're going to want to spin the hub as well, so that way it helps seat the seal on the back. So I'm just going to do that. Probably not going to be able to record you because it's kind of hard to do with one hand. I'm going to have to be having a screwdriver because, like I said, they sent me the wrong thing, but it should still work in the long run. So I'm going to give you some end results here shortly. So we're going to be trying to tighten this up real quick. All right, we got the seal on and the brake caliper, and now we put the axle shaft back in with the brand new seal. And after we get this tightened up, I'm going to put the wheel on, and that should be it, boys and girls. All right, boys and girls, she is on her own way again, and dirty hands means job well done. You already know the deal. But she free spins, so hopefully once we drive around and fill up the rear diff with some gear oil, hopefully everything is good. But tomorrow's episode, we're probably gonna be doing something with the fender flares and some body work. I need to go to my granddad's to start welding some things. Once we do this tailgate and stuff, you will see that this right here, see how flimsy that is? I don't know how, what, when, or where it happened, but along the road it cracked not too long ago. And then yeah, so we got to weld that back and then get a brace made for that, like these little support bars. And then we're gonna be sanding down everything, I mean everything, to get ready for this wrap. Y'all are not gonna want to miss this. Okay, so this is episode 1 of the rebuild for Daytona. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, learned something, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video.